Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're going to activate your Mint Mobile eSIM now. First, confirm your device supports eSIM and that it's unlocked. This avoids carrier blocks. Next, log into your Mint account and locate the eSIM QR code or transfer code provided with your plan. Once done, open the device cellular settings so you're ready to scan or enter information. Make sure Wi-Fi is active and your phone has at least partial charge. This prevents interruptions during provisioning. Now add the eSIM profile on your phone. On iPhone, go to Settings, right arrow Cellular, right arrow Add Cellular Plan. On Android, open Network and Internet, right arrow Mobile Network, right arrow Add Carrier. Use your camera to scan the Mint QR code. If scanning fails, choose Manual Entry and type the activation code exactly. After the profile installs, label it, for example, Mint, and select whether it's your default line for data, calls, or both. This ensures the right plan handles your usage immediately. Finish by restarting your phone to let the eSIM provision properly. Upon reboot, check for the Mint carrier name and signal bars. Make a test call and try mobile data to confirm full functionality. If service isn't active, toggle airplane mode off and on, retry scanning the QR, or remove and re-add the eSIM profile. If none of that works, contact Mint support with your account details. Often they can push the activation remotely or issue a replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.